Hello friends, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm France Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. And today it's a quick video, do it yourself, some shimmer paint. What I done, very simple, use 70% rubbing alcohol here, fill a spritzer, and before I open this up, take a wink of Stella. And especially if you get some that it's almost empty, that would be to do the one that you should use. Or you can use a new one also. And when your wink of Stella it's completely empty, don't toss it out. I got a video on how you can fill that with re-inker also. And re-inker, and let me think, some drop of re-inker and alcohol, and that gives you a nice alcohol marker really. So now I'm taking my wink of Stella and just add a few drops. You're going to say how much. I just pour it in. You don't need that much. You're going to be able to see, I don't know, let me put this back in. And you can always, like I said, when it's almost empty, you can put alcohol in this and shake it up to get all the shimmer paint in it. It's kind of a shimmer paint. Now, shake this up, and you just see the glimmer barely in it. But watch when you put that on a paper. And the darker the paper is, the more you're going to see your shimmer. So I'm just going to see it's kind of marbleized in there. And I got one here that I want to do a card. And I like to put it about, I would say, a good 8-inch and spritz. And we're going to let that dry. You're going to see it in a minute. Now I'm going to take on the black. You're going to see it much better. You can see the shimmer on this. See? This is early espresso. You can see all that pretty shimmer there. That's where I put my wink of Stella tube there. I keep on shaking it so it don't settle just before spraying. This is a fresh fig. See how pretty it is, and it don't take long to dry, and it's gonna almost go flat when it dries. That's what it's nice about the alcohol. It go flat. It's just a few spots, but you can see all the shimmer on this. See that? So that's how I done my shimmer paint. Or my Shimmer Spritz, I should call it. See how pretty it is? So sometimes you just want to add a little bit of a shiny. Here it is. Now you have it. That's my tip of the day. I'm going to have the product, the recipe right there on my blog below or above. And come and visit me at FrenchieStamps.com. Thank you so much for your support. Till next time, happy stamping. Bye-bye.